Ball Aerospace advances technologies that protect our national assets and support our nation's warfighters.
I think what we do, helps bring them back home safely and helps them accomplish, their mission more effectively.
To protect warfighters, Ball Systems Engineering Solutions Group analyzes data from space, air, and land assets to create visualizations of the battle space.
Whether it be avionics, whether it be power grids, whatever, we have to be in a position to be able to protect those.
For nearly 30 years, Ball has collaborated with NASIC, the National Air and Space Intelligence Center, and the Air Force Research Lab at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base.
Our work in Dayton is data processing for NASIC, as well as doing research with AFRL in human performance and with the Sensors Directorate.
The world is ever changing. The warfighter capabilities need to change in the future, and so they look at us, both the innovation that we can provide and also the technical competency in producing that, but once again, they trust Ball to do the right thing.
In Albuquerque, we're aligned with the Air Force Research Lab at the Kirtland Air Force Base.
Our work down there is with the Directed Energy Directorate.
And we've worked on programs in the past that range from the airborne laser to the advanced tactical laser, and now we're into the electric laser on a large aircraft. And it's constantly changing.
This goal of the U.S. government to rapidly reconfigure and repurpose space systems to meet new challenges. That may be difficult, but that's where we're moving.
Ball also conducts technical assessments for the Department of Defense.
It's an iterative process. We develop something, a countermeasure, the bad guys develop a countermeasure, now we have to develop a countermeasure, and the quicker you can make that process happen, the safer our deployed personnel will be.
It's just like in a ball game. You've got your offensive team doing one thing and the defensive team has to do something else. And so we're learning those defenses.
Ball provides engineering and related services to the Goddard Space Flight Center and supports defense and intelligence customers in St. Louis and Chantilly, Virginia, near the nation's capital.
Human beings can see it and know right away, hey, that's something important or that's something important. So we help in that whole transition and taking that data into information, as well as taking that information and turning that into knowledge.
Ball Aerospace. We turn big data into information and information into actionable intelligence.